Hey, pretty lady. Hey, what's up? Who are you? I am the Lone Burrito. Notice me. I am gorgeous. Do I know you? I'm the Lone Burrito. I just said this, you stupid woman. Now look at me. I am amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Check out me. Check out the stance. I'm gonna lean now for you. Lean. Look. Look at my concentration. I'm the Lone Burrito. And what is your name? I'm. Do the lean again. Oh my god! Look at that lean. That's amazing. Oh my god! The focus. It is gorgeous. Hey, you fiend! Leave her alone. What the hell are you doing? You don't ruin this for me. You ruined this for me, mijo. Leave the woman alone. Do you even know who you are talking to? What is your name? I'm Rosalina. I'm talking to Rosalina. Can you not tell this? Even I knew this. I'm doing the lean. I don't care who she is. You will leave her alone. She is my woman. Get the hell out of here. Can you lean? Can you lean? I didn't think so. Yes. The Lone Burrito's the only one who can do a good lean. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm amazing. Now get out of here, you fool. No. I will fight for the great Rosalina. She is my life. No, I'm not. I'm sorry. What is your name? I am Paco. Your name is Paco? That's a stupid name. How Mexican can you be? What a stereotype. Your name is Paco. God. It's the Lone Burrito. You can't go against the Lone Burrito if your name is Paco. Bad. Bad, Chico. Get out of here. No, I will not. So, you want to go out with me, huh? You little Paco? You're nothing. You couldn't lean. Why can you not lean? You fell over. Listen here, woman. I wish to ask you out. No! I can't believe you made me leave the Lone Burrito. He was gorgeous. I'm kind of good looking. You're nothing. What can I do to prove myself? God, I just want to prove myself to you. You can try, like, I don't know, beating somebody up. I don't know. You probably can't. Look how little you are. You're like tiny. And I'm pretty damn short. What are you like? 4'7"? You suck, mijo. You suck. Fine. I will challenge the greatest boxer Spain and Mexico and Spain has ever known. Who? Who will you challenge? The greatest boxer that Spain, Mexico, and Spain has ever known. I don't follow boxing. Oh. El Diablo Negro! You dare challenge me? Yo soy tu papa. What? Yo soy tu papa. And yo quiero Taco Bell. You cannot challenge me. I'm Diablo Negro, the greatest boxer in Latin America, period. See? You're nothing, mijo. You cannot win. Even he towers over you, and he's an old geezer. What's the matter with you, you midget? I'm going back to the Lone Burrito. You suck. You suck, mijo. No, I will win this fight for you, my Rosalina. Get away from me. I don't like you. You suck. You stink. You stink of tacos. Paco the taco. You suck. Me and you are going to rumble, cause I must win for my woman! Yo soy tu papa. You cannot win. What are you? Really, you're like the shortest guy I've ever met. And you're not even like Spanish sounding. Paco. You will be mine. You will be mine! Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! red corner, weighing in at a massive 299 pounds, El Diablo Negro. In the blue corner, weighing in at a measly 105 pounds, Paco the Taco Rodriguez! Woo! Tonight's bout is brought to you by Villa Fulvia. If you want a drink, you know who to call. Italy. Kick his ass, Nick! Gentlemen,
Love you like I do. Don't know why I love you. Don't know why I care. I just want your love to share. I wonder why I love you like I do. Is it because I think you love me too? I wonder why I love you like I do, like I do.
oh my God! Oh my God! No! Paco! Why? Why did you listen to me, you fool? You damn fool! I wasn't going to pick you anyway! You cannot lean! You will never be the man for me! Only the Lone Burrito's the man for me! You are nothing! You're nothing! But now you're dead! Who is it? Oh my God! Lone Burrito! Lone Burrito! I love you! I love you, Lone Burrito! I think we should go. Let's go. Oh my God, the lean! It's the lean! I love this lean! Let me try. Oh my God. Am I doing? Oh, I can't do it. It's so scary. Let's go.